Oro mwaka thirikari kugerera ministry ya githomo neheanaga mabuku kuri arutwo makiria riri bururi urakinyaniria mutaratara mweru wa CBC. Mwaka uyu uheani wa mabuku milioni 1.24 ma grade ya kenda ugithie na mbere. Makiria ma kambuni 34 guko bururi-ini cikoretwo cigicabithia mabuku ma arutwo oro undu umwe na ma andu kiumbe. Na tiga ucabithia wa mabuku bururi-ini kuri na ngatheti inya iria ciikuruhanagia no ucabithia kumenyithia guthomithia na gucanjamura athomi ao.
I think to produce one newspaper you may have to cut close to over 50 trees to just produce several pages of a newspaper. And just imagine one tree can sink up to 22 kgs of carbon in a year. And that same tree can produce enough oxygen for 2 grown-up persons in a year.
At our peak, ni twathondekaga 100 to 150,000. No ni turajetie uthie twarora environment ni turathiaga tugipushaga digital makiria kuri uria twa printaga.
When you cut a tree, you cut your future. You destroy many lives for tomorrow. This is an indigenous tree which grows.
Caleb Ouma, afitha munene kuma gikundi kia Green Belt, oigite tiga utemi wa miti ucabithia wa mabuku na ngatheti ucungagiriria uhuthiri wa mai maingi thitima oro undu umwe na gutiga giko kiingi.
When you're printing, it's not just about the paper, it's also the ink. It is the electricity that you consume but that the machines run on. It is also about the heat that the machines are generating, and it's contributing to warming our environment.
Wakati unafika nchi yetu hii ya Kenya tuna experience ukame. Na kwamba tukiweza hifadhi maji ama tukiweza kurecycle maji, then we'll also be conserving our environment.
Somebody does not have to read a printed book for them to get the information. The information can be translated into a digital format and still become accessible.
Mitambo ya gucabithia mabuku na ngatheti ici ningi ni kihumo kia ndogo ya carbon iria cungiriria uthukangia wa rĩera na gutiga urugari wa thĩ wambatĩrĩte na gĩkĩro kĩnene. Mũrũgamĩrĩri munene wa kambuni ya Media Max Ken Garũ yakĩhithũria ũndũ ũyũ ũtigĩte a Kenya aingĩ na mĩnyamarĩko.
Mbura ĩrĩa yaurire kĩambĩrĩria kĩa mwaka ũyũ yarĩ mbura nene na igĩthũkĩria andũ mĩciĩ na igĩthũkĩria andũ indo. Ndĩtuonete nginya rĩmwe gũgathiĩ gũkara mũno.
Those fumes contribute to our greenhouse gases because they produce carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is one of the biggest greenhouse gases.
Nĩguo kũgitĩra marĩa matũrigicĩirie, kambuni cia ũcabithia wa mabuku na indo ingĩ cia gũthomwo nĩ ciũrĩtio kũiyũkia ũcabithia wa nenda-ini.
My call is that every publisher, every government institution should embrace digital platforms for publishing. That in that way we not only save our lives today but our future tomorrow.
Longhorn Learning, we don't only have books from our parent company which is Longhorn Publishers, but we also have vitabu za publishers wengine ambao slowly wanakubali kwamba digital is the way to go, na wanatupa vitabu zao kuzidigitize ili ziweze kuwa katika hiyo platform yetu, ili nao pia wakaweza go green as you've done today.
Many of you might wonder what the fuss is about.
No ucabithia wa nenda-ini uronekana kwa kũiyũkio nĩ anyiti itemi sector-inĩ ĩno kũringana na Mwangi kuma Longhorn.
Shule mingi nazo zina infrastructure. So what we are doing as Longhorn Learning is we are working also with financial institutions tuweze kucollaborate, tuweze kuona ni vipi sisi na financial institutions tunaweza saidia mashule kuwa na hizo infrastructures. Schools have been a bit resistant to change, but utapata kuna shule zinasema okay, let us do hybrid. Tuwe na vitabu kidogo za print na tuwe na mfumo wa kidijitali as we look into fully implementing 100% digitization of schools. So ningehimiza mashule pia wa embrace our digital learning solutions so that we also help them to go green.
Congratulations to People Daily for going green.
No arĩkĩonereria kambuni ya Media Max nĩ ĩtacũkĩte ikinya rĩa kũrũgamia ũcabithia wa ngatheti kũgitĩra ũcenjia wa rĩera. Ngatheti ya People Daily ĩkĩambĩrĩria gũcabithio nenda-inĩ.
Kũgirĩrĩria maũndũ ta maya nĩ hatũngĩteithia na tũkĩona tuthondeke ngatheti digital, andũ mathiaye gũthoma ngatheti thimũ-inĩ, mathomage website nigetha rĩu tũtige kũrenga miti.
It is the last piece of People Daily newspaper.
We want to laud initiatives such as this one we are doing here today, launching a digital paper to encourage people to produce content digitally that goes a long way in saving our forests and saving our trees.
What are these plants?
Media Max riu iri kuruhanagia no handi wa miti oro mwaka.
Turenda kuhanda miti 1,000 within the next 2-3 years, na niguo twanjia muthi guku Kibiko.
When you save one tree, you actually saving 2 lives in terms of the oxygen. And you can translate that into economy and economic value that you are saving and the future that you are saving for the generation to come.
Na kuri kambuni cio cabithia wa mabuku ngatheti na indo ingi cia guthomo ni moritio gwiciria keri.
Ngikono mahote guthie digital niguo ingimera. To bururi kana environment nio maisha maitu. Tungithukia ati tuthondeke mabuku ka tuthondeke ngatheti ni ithwe tureika ngaro tureka uru.
Kameme TV gikuhe horo gitau njeta gitau wa Wanjikũ.